Okay, now LIGO project. LIGO meaning laser interferometer. Interferometer wave observatory. Interferometer gravitational waves observatory. Gravitational waves observatory. So laser interferometer gravitational waves observatory, that is the full form of LIGO. And what is the object of this project? Right, this project is an observatory meaning it's a center, or it's a one kind of a research center which which consists some telescope, and with the help of telescope the gravitational waves in the sky or in the space will be detected. Right, its main objective is, just write down the main objective of this observatory. So detecting gravitational waves. So detecting gravitational waves with the help of large sized telescopes. So detecting gravitational waves with the help of large sized telescopes. That is the objectives of this LIGO project. Very important, LIGO project. So your listen. So LIGO project meaning laser interferometer gravitational waves observatory. Observatory meaning it's a center, so which consists telescope. With the help of telescope, that waves in this space will be detected. Right, that is the project here, LIGO project. And if you get the question, which of the following is the first country to launch LIGO project, then answer is USA. So USA, United States of America. So United States of America became the first country to launch LIGO project. It became successful. So in 2016 itself, 2016 LIGO project. So LIGO project USA, right? And the second LIGO project of the world, it launched in India. So India started the second LIGO project. Just remember. So here India also established LIGO project. India also established LIGO project in Hingoli district. In Hingoli district of Maharashtra. Very important, Hingoli district of Maharashtra. So in the Hingoli district of Maharashtra, so India launched the LIGO project. If you get the question, so which is the second country to start LIGO project, then answer is India. India is the second country. Which is the first country? USA. USA is the first country, India is the second country. What is the objective of LIGO project? To detect gravitational waves in the space, or in the you can say in the universe, right? To detect the gravitational waves, we are having the observatory. And observatory meaning it's a center which having the telescope, and here the telescope will be very large. Let's listen, the telescope will be almost 4 kilometer 4 kilometer long and 4 kilometer wide. 4 kilometer wide, right? So 4 kilometer long and 4 kilometer wide, that much large telescope will be there. And that telescope, just listen, in a small mirror we can see everything, but 4 kilometer long telescope. So because to detect the object from very far we need a large telescope. So it having very large telescope of 4 kilometer length and 4 kilometer wide. Just I will show an image here, just see this one. So it's also known as LIGO India. LIGO project in India we call LIGO India. Just here, this is the project. So which having almost 4 kilometer length and 4 kilometer width, right? Just see this one. Just 1 minute. Okay, here. So 4 kilometer wide and 4 kilometer length. Almost, it's a very large telescope, and this telescope will be used to detect or to record the gravitational waves, right? So very important point. Please remember. So the large telescope is used to record the to record the gravitational waves, and that project we call LIGO project. LIGO project. This question came in exam also about LIGO. Please remember. And in India, in which state it is established? Maharashtra. In which district of Maharashtra? Hingoli district of Maharashtra. Right? Okay. So this is about the three types of stars. Three types of stars. We are discussing about the life cycle of stars. In life cycle, let's listen. In life cycle, the stars originates from the nebula and they end their life in any one of the form. They can end their life as a white dwarf, they can end their life as a neutron star, or they can end their life as a black hole. So here among these three, which will be smaller than the sun? Answer is white dwarf. And which among the three, which will be larger than the sun? And neutron star. And which will be very large than the sun? Answer is black hole. Black hole will be very bigger than the sun, and neutron stars will be almost larger than the sun, and white dwarf can be equal to sun, or it can be greater than sun, or it can be even smaller than the sun also, right? Very important point. Just add on one note, very important note. Note number one, white dwarf can be smaller or equal or greater than sun, right? So here white dwarf can be smaller or equal or greater than sun. That is first point. So here white dwarf, listen, white dwarf, so can be smaller than sun, or white dwarf can be equal to sun, or white dwarf can be even greater than sun. Very important. All the three possible cases are possible. All the three are possible. So second point, second note. So neutron star always greater than sun. That is, mass of neutron star will be greater than 1.44 times the mass of sun. That's why here neutron star will be always greater than sun. And third one, black hole. Black hole is a very big star, very big star, minimum 3 times bigger than sun. Very important. Minimum 3 times bigger than sun. It can be more than 3 times also, but minimum 3 times bigger will be there. So that is the three important note. Very important. These three notes you should remember. So white dwarf, neutron star, and black hole. Right. Next point. So we are discussing here components of universe. In that we have discussed about nebula, we have discussed about galaxies, we have discussed about the just basic meaning of stars. And now we'll discuss in detail about the star system of sun. Right? We have discussed even star system meaning a star plus its surrounding objects. All together we call solar system or star system. And in our syllabus we are having one topic called solar system of the sun. It's very important topic. Every year 2 questions repeats from the solar system. Next heading. solar system, solar system of sun. Solar system of sun, very important, very important topic. Put here 4 stars, most important. So solar system of sun. So solar system of sun, if you get the question, so which all objects comes under the solar system of sun? So solar system of sun consists the following object. The first one sun. It consists sun. Second one 8 planets. Third one it consists natural satellites. And fourth one it consists asteroids. And fifth one it consists comets. Sixth one it consists meteorites. And seventh one it consists asteroid belt. And eighth one it consists Kuiper belt. Ninth one it consists dwarf planets. 10th one Goldilocks zone. And 11th one it is Oort clouds. Oort clouds. Right, Oort clouds. So these are the important components of our solar system. Very important. If you get the question, so which of the following comes under the solar system of sun? These are the components: sun and 8 planets, natural satellites, asteroids, comets, meteorites, asteroid belt, Kuiper belt, dwarf planets, Goldilocks zone, and Oort clouds. These are the components. Of the sun, right? Very important. And now you should know the diagram. Diagram is also very important here, right? So diagram. So this is the components. Now just take this diagram. Diagram is very important. Okay. Sun. Then here Mercury, Venus, and Earth, and Mars, and it is Jupiter, Saturn, right? Okay. And between Mars and Jupiter, we are having one belt called asteroid belt. Then we are having here Kuiper belt, right? And we are having Oort clouds as well. Oort clouds. They are the Oort clouds, right? And we are having one more zone called Goldilocks zone. This is the Goldilocks zone, right? Okay. So first one, it is sun, right? And then it is Mercury. It is Venus, Earth, Mars, it's Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, right? Neptune. And this area we call Goldilocks zone. Goldilocks zone, right? And Earth is also known as a blue planet, and Mars is known as a red planet, and Uranus is known as a green planet, and Venus is known as a bright planet, brightest planet. So as per the name only I have given the color here. So color also very important. Sometime by color itself we have to identify. So Uranus, green planet. We will discuss later why it is known as green planet and why Mars is known as a red planet, why Earth is known as a blue planet, because there are a lot of concepts and many students will fail in the exam because of lack of concepts. And if you know the concept, you never fail in the exam. And if you know the concept, they can ask any kind of question. They no need to buy hat. They no need to carry any metal also. If you know the concept once, so you can easily answer any questions, right? So here please we'll discuss later while discussing the planets. So why it is known as green planet, why it is known as red planet, why it is known as blue planet, and why Venus is known as the brightest planet. We'll discuss later in one by one. But presently, so Earth is blue planet, Mars is red planet, and Jupiter is the largest planet. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. So in our solar system, so which is the largest planet? Answer Jupiter. And which is the smallest planet? So answer is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet. Mercury is the smallest. Planet in our solar system. So Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. And which two planets are twin planets here? Please remember the twin planets Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the twin planets. And even Earth and Venus also twin planets. So this is our solar system. At least you should remember, like you should know. So which planet comes close to sun, which planet comes away from the sun, and this is the asteroid belt. And this is Kuiper belt. And this is Oort clouds. So Oort clouds, Kuiper belt, twin planets, asteroid belt, right? And this is about the solar system. So at least you remember which is the closest planet to sun and which is the farthest planet to the sun. So once after knowing this diagram, now we'll discuss in detail one by one about all the planets, right? So first put the heading sun. So this is very important diagram, right? And while watching online, so you can take the screenshots also. After taking screenshot, you can make the fair note or you can write properly in your notes. So because inside the class, if you are not able to write all the notes, then take a screenshot, right? And then you can sit and you can write the notes properly, right? So this is about the solar system. Many times the question came, right? So which is the largest planet, which is the smallest planet, which is the green planet of our solar system, which is the red planet of our solar system, and which is the blue planet of our solar system, and which is the small planet, which is a twin planet. Repeatedly, many times the questions came. So first put the heading sun. So please remember in our entire solar system, the largest object is sun. Just listen, the sun is the largest object in our solar system. Very, very important. Write on this point. Sun, it is most massive object in our solar system. So it is the most massive object in our solar system. Very important point. Most massive meaning with more mass. Most massive nothing but with maximum mass. So your sun is most massive object in our solar system. Most massive meaning having maximum mass. And your mass of sun is 1.998 into 10 to the power of 30 kg. So your mass of sun is 1.998 into 10 to the power of 30 kg. Right? That is. So even you can write this one approximately 2 into 10 to the power of 30 kg. Right? 2 into 10 to the power of 30 kg. If you get the question, what is the mass of sun? Mass of sun, we'll write like this: m sun, mass of sun is 2 into 10 to the power of 30 kg. And the mass of earth, just listen, mass of earth is 5.97 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. It is the mass of earth. So mass of earth is 5.97 into 10 to the power of 24 kg, and mass of sun is 2 into 10 to the power of 30 kg. Many students will make this mistake just by seeing this 2 and 5.97. They will say कि mass of earth is more. But please remember, mass of earth is not more. Mass of earth is lesser than the mass of sun, right? So mass of sun, listen, mass of sun is approximately 3,30,000 times the mass of earth. Mass of earth is almost 3,30,000 times the mass of earth. It's a very big or very large object, right? So very important one. So it's a very large object. Sun is the most massive object in our universe. So one more important point. If you take the mass, listen carefully. So sun is most massive object in our solar system. So most massive meaning, if you take the total mass of our solar system, in the entire mass of solar system, sun alone constitutes 99.99%. Just listen. So sun alone constitutes 99.98% of total mass of our solar system. Right? Just add on. Sun alone accounts or constitutes around 99.98% of total mass of solar system. So sun alone accounts or constitutes around 99.98% of total mass of solar system. In the entire solar system, the sun alone having 99.98% of the mass, and remaining all the object together having 0.2% of the mass, right? So your sun alone constitutes 99.98% and remaining all the objects together constitutes 0.2%. 0.2 percentage of total mass of solar system. Total mass of total mass of solar system, very important. So here remaining all the objects together constitute 0.2% of the total mass of solar system, and sun alone constitute 99.98% of the total mass of solar system, and mass of sun is almost 3 lakhs times more mass than the mass of earth. If suppose mass of earth is 1, then mass of sun will be almost 3,30,000, right? Because it is 3 lakh times more than the mass of sun, mass of the earth, right? So next point, very important point again. So here density of the sun. Density of the sun. So density of the sun. First you should know what is the exact meaning of. What is the exact meaning of the density? What is the exact meaning of density? Density meaning it is the ratio of mass divided by volume. Mass divided by volume, and mass measured in kg and volume measured in meter cube or gram per centimeter cube, right? And density of, listen first you should know the density of water. Density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube, or it is 1 gram per centimeter cube. 1 gram per centimeter cube. Just listen, I just both are same, 1000 kg per meter cube or 1 gram per centimeter cube. Just I will prove this one, just listen. So 1000 into kg meaning 1000 gram, right, divided by meter meaning 100 centimeter bracket cube, right? And here 1000 into 1000 into 1000 divided by, so 100 we have tried 3 times, 100 cube meaning we have tried 100 3 times, and into cm square, cm cube. So here gram per cm cube. So here 60, these are the 60, right? 1 into 1 divided by 1 into 1 into 1 and gram per centimeter cube. So 1 into 1 is 1 only, 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 only, 1 divided by 1 also 1 only, right? 1 gram per centimeter cube. So here 1000 kg per meter cube, nothing but 1 gram per centimeter cube, very important. So if you get the question what is the density of the water, density of the water will be, so 1000 kg per meter cube or 1 gram per centimeter cube, right? Very important. Now, so what is the density of the earth? So density of the earth, is 5.51 gram per centimeter cube, or 5.51 times the density of water. So 5.51 times the density of water. So that is density of earth. Density of earth is equal to 5.51 into density of the water is 1 gram per centimeter cube, right? So 5.51 gram per centimeter cube. This is the density of the earth. Right? Very important. Density of earth will be, so 5.51 gram per centimeter cube. And now just listen. Density of sun will be 1.41 gram per centimeter cube, right? So if you get the question what is the density of the sun, answer is 1.41 gram per centimeter cube. Density of earth 5.51 gram per centimeter cube. Density of water 1 gram per centimeter cube. But in UPSC they never ask what is the density of the water or what is the density of the sun. They never ask, but they can ask the question arrange the following in decreasing order as per the density value. And in decreasing order, listen, in decreasing order, first one is density of earth. So density of earth is greater than density of sun, which is greater than density of water, right? Density of water. So density of earth is 5.51 gram per centimeter cube. So greater than here 1.41 gram per centimeter cube, which is greater than 1 gram per centimeter cube. So this equation is important, right? This equation is important. They will ask this equation in the exam. Arrange the following in decreasing order as per the value of density, So it is about density. So we have discussed about the mass of the sun and even density of the sun, right? So in the next session, so we'll discuss about the gravity of the sun, right? Thank you. Dhanyavad.